Hello, welcome to another video where I mess with my hair. I have been doing back-to-back videos, definitely not intentionally, on just me figuring out what hair colors I want, mucking them up and having to kind of fix them a little bit. If you go back on these videos, you will see I dyed my hair auburn using a box dye. Loved it. The only problem I had was just the differences in my hair color and then trying to maintain my regrowth. There was a band hair from my hairdresser previously, and then this was previously blonde. So I had like auburn, a darker auburn, a lighter auburn, and it was just too messy. So I wanted to do the hair color removal product, which has its own video. I will link it down below, but it took my hair to a very intense yellow and orange. So I went ahead and tested out the T14 and the 050 combination for the Wella Color Charm products. And I overdid the 050. That video is also down below if you want to see that one. This is the result basically of the T14 and 050 on the tone that I managed to get my hair to after that color removal product. It didn't look green obviously to anybody else, but I felt like my hair was slightly green. So I did wash my hair with an anti-dandruff shampoo and that did lift it to this, and there's actually quite a difference in tone as well. It is quite a lot lighter after just one wash. So after prefacing all of that, I wanted to test my good old trusty anti-dandruff shampoo, specifically the Head & Shoulders Clean and Balance, mixed with vitamin C tablets, mixed with a lemon. This is a new addition. I did not use a lemon last time. I have used this combination before on black box dye. It worked. Video's linked down below. I have also used this combination testing it on semi-permanent hair dye. It worked. Also listed down below. So something I have not tested is if you overtone your hair, and I would love to eventually try this on purple shampoo if you get like the purpley silvery bits. Does this help remove that? But for now, I want to see that if you overtone your hair, for example, with the Wella Color Charm toners, let's say it goes to ashy, you get a bit of green, whatever it might be, does this work? So here is the before. This is my hair. There is actually some different tones that go through this. I actually personally love this color, so I hope I can get it back if I don't like whatever I do next. But if I do this, so this is my root color here, that's the tone. But if I was to flip my ends up, you can see that they are a lot lighter. I'm intrigued to see if this lifts my hair color. So the process is to just mix it all together, chuck it on your head and leave it. I have tested this before on wet hair versus dry hair, and I did initially like the dry hair better. It just takes a bit more to mix it through. So I will go and figure this out and I will show you the process. So for this, I have got this vitamin C product here. This has got the 1000 milligram. Where do I see that here? So you can see the vitamin C tablet is 1000 milligrams. So that's what I'm using here. And I've got 6 tablets here. Once I've diluted these, I'm going to add the Head & Shoulders and then also squeeze the lemon into that as well. I'm going to do half the lemon and I'll let you know how much Head & Shoulders in a second, but let's just dilute these. So for the water, it is 165 mils 2 times. Now for the shampoo, I am going to measure this for you because I know that when I watch this video, if it does actually work, I want to know the exact amount somebody is using. So I don't know specifically what I want to use or what will work. I'm just going to give this a go for the amount that I need to cover my hair. So this is 55 mils or 53 grams. So I've just put a little bit of water into here and I'm just going to mix this up so it actually comes out and stir this all about so it's like an even mixture. With the previous one that I did, it was a paste, but I want this to really saturate my hair, and I also know that the vitamin C is a very potent vitamin C in this one, so I'm sure it's going to be fine. I'm also doing this on dry hair, so usually what I would do is if this works well, I'd go again and my hair would obviously be slightly wet. So I feel like just having it a bit more liquidy is totally fine. It's going to work the same way. Okay, hopefully this doesn't get too messy. I should probably put a different top on that's easier to take off. This one I can stretch the neck of. It's just a very cold day, so I don't want to be wearing anything less. Okay, I do have it as a very wet consistency, but I am confident that this will still work well. I just have a bowl in front of me, so as I'm going into that ice cream container, I'm just using this to kind of catch the product. Okay, my hair is drenched. I'm gonna leave this on for 35 minutes and then maybe a bit longer. I will let you know what I end up leaving it for. Then I will wash it off and I'll let you know what the result is, I guess. Okay, instantly you can see that this has worked amazingly. And the other thing is, it's dark outside, so I've lost the lighting to give it like that fair test. So I just wanted to show you honestly, like, this is how it rinsed out. So just to give you context as well, I washed my hair with the anti-dandruff shampoo to get the product out. So it's like a bit of a double whammy on the anti-dandruff shampoo. And then I put in a hair mask just to give it a bit of love. It was a tad dry, so there was a drying feeling to that, and I think my hair's gonna need maybe another 1 or 2 hair masks this week because it does have quite a dry feeling to it, but it has been through a lot this week. I can't believe how much that's lifted my hair. So yeah, not surprised because I have used it before, have just never have thought about it to remove toner. So there was so much product left, I overkilled that a lot, but I think it's great if you did this once on your hair and maybe wanted to do it again, then you've got lots of product left to go. So what I said is a quantity definitely works to remove the product. You could potentially halve the water if you wanted this to be a little bit more potent. Obviously what I've done has worked for me, but play around with it. I think the amount of vitamin C in here is definitely the correct amount, and the amount of shampoo that I did, you can mess around with that and you can mess around with the water. So I just wanted to give you my gauge. The recipe is down below. But yes, I will come back in the morning so you can actually see what this looks like. I'm stoked. This is so cool. What a cool thing. Okay, see you tomorrow. I cannot find the footage from the following day, so here's just a quick clip of me in the car so you can see the sunlight on my hair. There was such a big difference. I hope this works for you too.